Hey guys, this is Eric. I'm back again. Sorry for a little delay. I'm just trying to find some more work because they cut my hours, so I'm just trying to get back to it. Anyways, hey, if you guys want to help me out, could you guys like, comment, and subscribe? There's a little button in the right hand corner down there, bottom right hand corner. If you can, it'll help me out with the algorithm and all that stuff. And I'll just keep on going. And all right, here you go, guys. So, anyways, I went ahead and moved over their chicken run. You see right here, where you can see where the dirt pattern is. That's actually going to be a garden now, since we got some of the chicken manure in there. I'm going to till it up inside there and see how that works out. All the chickens right now are in the tractor, and I'm going to put them in here tonight. I'm actually going to anchor the coop down tonight, or the run down. Sorry, you can see the little anchor sticking up there now. I'm going to put. I actually broke one, but I don't know how that happened. I broke a half-inch piece of rebar, just bending it with my hands and feet, and it broke. So I only got 3 now. It's anchors to keep it from flying away. But I'll put together and to keep it from flying away. So we got our compost up there and our fire pits. We just moved them out of the way just for, because like I said, I just literally did it like an hour ago. And also, this coop now is going to be sitting on top of the tractor right here. So this is going to be sitting on top of the tractor. That door right there is going to be moved away. Sorry. That means the door is a ramp. And all of this together is going to be sitting on the back right here, where it's going to be connected on the outside. So they give them the whole run now to be able to have some room to do what they need to do. I'm also going to try to figure out how to get some of these boards from this old bed frame. I'm going to cut some of the boards down and make some purchase for them on the inside, across from this wall to this wall, and different walls, to give them something to perch on. And also, this is just all temporary again until I can get some more funds to build them a much bigger coop than that, because that's obviously way too small. But I'm giving them the tractor in the bottom to give them some more height, and also somewhere to perch, because there are 3 perches in there for them, but it's just been they have a little like a manure tray in there that's just getting in the way. So I'm going to move that out of the way and then have them the whole run. And I will be getting some temporary tarp or actually I might have some wood paneling, we'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this whole thing right here, wrap this whole on the outside, everything to get for the weather, because I know it's going to start snowing this winter. And I'll have a tarp and everything to cover the whole thing of this, the roof and everything, so the rain doesn't get it all soggy and everything, get nasty. So anyways, hopefully I'm gonna get that done today, and now I'll show you a little bit. Actually, in your time it'll be a few seconds, but I'm gonna try to get it all together tonight. If not tonight, I'll actually put one up tomorrow for the finishing. And also, I'll have to give you guys an update on my accident. I know I told you guys about it a while back, and I haven't anything about it yet. But yeah, I was actually at work, and I was actually doing deliveries, and I came to a stop at a red light, and a car didn't even see me, didn't even stop, just slammed right into the back of my car. And all the energy, because I have an SUV, all the energy went into the trailer hitch, and went up through the frame and into my back. And it hurt. It pushed out some of my vertebra in my upper back and my mid and my lower. I was just still feeling some pain, but we'll get through it. It's all part of doing everything we can do to get healthy. I mean, this is all part of it, for myself. I'm trying to lose some weight and stuff too. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of other details with the accident, but I can't release all that, because it's not I can't release this as other personal information. But yeah, as far as me, I'm doing okay. Just a little bit of pain. But yeah, that was several months ago. But still, with my back and stuff, the pain's still going to be for a while. But anyways, that's what we're doing right now. I'm going to give you guys the latest on it now. So here shortly, I will be put some more up here in a second to show you what, hopefully more progress. I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, back again. It's been a couple days. It did take a couple days to get things figured out. Had some calls and stuff to make and a few things to do. But here you go. Here's the final finish. I finally got it moved all in the same day. I just saw final things here. I did a couple of nesting, or not nesting, but roost for them. One in each corner up there. Like I said, this is basic stuff. I use zip ties and put it in the little chain link that I have on there. Also have the netting on the back cut open so they can get through. And I just took the door off of the chicken tractor, and then used that to get up to the coop. And then the next couple of days here, I'm going to figure out how to, if I have some stuff to do it, to go ahead and wrap all the sides and everything to make that all enclosed so they can be warm. In summertime, I'll open it up. But this house does have vents on the top for one in, one out. So there it is, you guys, for right now. And then I'm going to be over here, like I said. I'm going to be taking the manure and stuff. That's actually have some in here. That's from when I was cleaning it out. I'm going to take that, dump it in there, turn it all up, put some water on it. I don't think I'm going to be planting anything right now because winter's coming. But I'll definitely look up and see if I can for the winter. If you guys have any comments on that, if you have any ideas how I can grow, I'm actually in Oklahoma. So that's central Oklahoma. So if you guys have any ideas what I could possibly grow from now until, whenever this is ready to be processed, let me know. But yeah, just as the update from earlier. That's what I got so far. And I will be enclosing the back side of this with more tarp to keep from the winter and stuff, so I can keep them warmer. And the whole thing, actually, not just the back, but yeah, the back's gonna be a permanent, and then I'll have the walls, both sides and the front open. And then, like I said, when winter comes, I'll just close them all off, keep them warm. But yeah, this is what's going on so far right now. And then I'll update you again here in a little while about getting the garden stuff set up, and at least getting it tilled and getting it ready. So until then, I will see you next time. See ya. Bye. Oh, and by chance, please like, subscribe, comment, and just help me out with the algorithm a lot better to get things raised up and get things a little bigger on my channel. Help me keep going. Thanks, guys. See ya.